ToLiveforbeats.
I remember always selling dope at the corner store. I was on the chase, I was chasing money in the streets. Always posted in the field, yeah, Richfield Street. Where it all started, where I first puffed tree, where I first started chasing cream. Only my team know about me. I'm still hanging with my boys since grade school. We used to carry them bucks, now we gotta carry that too. Had to push the weight every day on the grind, I had to get paid. I couldn't get caught lacking, I was always on the grind, staying up late. Had to keep the 4-5 on my waist. Every day there's somebody's life getting taken away. Lost so many brothers, I will never feel the same. It's been years but I still cry every time I think about my fallen brothers in my mind. I know they're looking down on me, watching me staying on my grind. I'ma make this money for my family, I'm running out of time. The streets made me, I didn't have nobody to teach me. I learned everything watching the big homies while I was just a stupid kid. Look at me now, I'm rising to the top, doing all this for my family and kids. I was a natural born hustler and I knew it since I was legit. Yeah, I will never ever quit, I gotta get that money quick. Esoteric, yeah, that's my fucking clique. I'ma stay down for the gang, I will never switch. We ain't in it for the fame, we just tryna get paid. We ain't like these lames, just chasing pussy, tryna get laid. Go chase a bag and make your lifestyle all about getting paid. Hey, it's Tvkes. Yeah, you know. Hey, yeah, you know that I've been on before, but I'm back. Hey, it's Tvkes. Hey, trying to search for a meaning in my soul, but it's haunted in a fucking abyss. It's like I'm trying to find a key to a lock that don't even fucking exist. Praying to, I don't know who you. Won't you give me a lesson that will give me the vision that I'm missing? Hey, or the strength to overcome me. Know the story, that biblical bullshit, that shit. Hey, that's always been tampered with. Ay, I ain't no fucking philosopher, but I just spit it lightly. If you tryna follow the light, I'd advise not to follow behind me. You have to follow the light that's used to burn inside me. I went from popping pills and seeking thrills, now I'm learning to chill. We just gotta break the cycle, tear it down, take it apart to decipher. In hopes you understand to decipher yourself. If whatever that has been contains a moral or a fucking ounce of wisdom. Y'all ain't really fucking, hey, y'all ain't fucking with esoteric clique, yeah, y'all just dumb, hey. I'm trying to get us all lifted, so listen, balance is key. I'm blessed to be A-R-I-V-E. I created a deal with my family. Love is a dream, chase it till you find peace. Esoteric clique, rep it to the death of me.